Simon says subscribe and click on the bell icon to receive notifications.
Hello everyone, welcome to a new tutorial from Simon Says It. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to merge Excel files. Excel offers you the ability to combine data from multiple worksheets or workbooks into one single workbook, which makes it easy for you to search for data, decreases file clutter, and facilitates easy sharing of files that in turn increases the efficiency of your work. Let us see how to merge Excel files from different workbooks into a single worksheet. Just by copying the data from the sheet into one book and pasting the data into another book, you can consolidate all the data into a common workbook. To copy all the data, first, select all the data from the worksheet. Right-click on the selected data and click Copy or press Ctrl+C. Now, open the workbook where you want to consolidate the data. Navigate to a new sheet and press Ctrl+V or click on the Paste button from the Home menu. This way, you can copy and paste any number of worksheets into different workbooks and consolidate the data into a single Excel file. Another method is to copy the sheets together and copy or move them to another workbook. First, open the workbook to which you want to merge all the files. This will act as the destination. Then, open the source workbook from which you want to move or copy. To copy or move the books, first, select the sheets. Once you select the sheets, they will appear in bold. Now, right-click and select Move or Copy. This opens the Move or Copy dialog box. From the To Book drop-down, select the workbook to which you want to move the sheets. In the Before Sheet section, select Move to End. Additionally, check the checkbox for Create a Copy if you want to create a copy of the selected sheets onto a new workbook. This leaves the data in the source workbook intact. Click OK. This will copy the selected worksheets onto a new workbook. There might be some instances where you would want to merge Excel files into a single worksheet. In such cases, you can use the below-mentioned methods to arrive at the desired result. Using Power Query, you can merge Excel files into a single workbook and help alter the data with ease. When using this method, store all the files you want to combine into a single folder. Also, take precautions to make sure the data are structured and in the same format as each other. Now, open the Excel workbook in which you want to combine all the other workbooks. Navigate to the Data tab. Under the Get and Transform Data section, click on the drop-down from Get Data. Click in From File and select From Folder. A dialog box opens. Select the folder which contains the files you want to merge and click OK. This inserts all the data from the selected folder and shows you a preview of the selected files. Click on the drop-down from Combine and select Combine and Load. This in turn opens the Combined Files dialog box. From the Sample File drop-down, select any file and select any sheet under the Display Options parameters. This file will act as a template based on which the data from other sheets will be formatted. You can see the preview of the data in the corresponding sheet. Check the checkbox for Skip Files with Errors if you want Power Query to ignore the errors. Once you have verified the data, click OK. After you click OK, the data from the workbooks are combined and reflected in a new sheet. Using the Consolidate option in the Data section, you can combine multiple worksheets into one. First, open a new worksheet in a new workbook. This will act as the destination where all the files will be merged. Navigate to Data. Under the Data Tools section, click on the Consolidate button. This opens the Consolidate dialog box. Since we will be adding data one after the other, select Sum from the Function drop-down. In the References text box, enter the cell range you want to consolidate and click on Add. You can add data from different worksheets in different workbooks by using the up arrow or by clicking on the Browse button. Once you click on Add, the references will be added to the All References tab. From here, you can remove any references you don't want to consolidate using the Delete button. If you want the consolidated data to be dynamic, i.e., the data in the destination changes when the source is changed, click on the checkbox for Create Links to Source Data. Finally, click OK. This consolidates the data from the selected source references into a single sheet. You can use the plus and minus buttons on the left of the sheet to view the data. Another effective way to merge Excel files is by changing their format and then reverting to their original format. The first step is to convert the two Excel files into CSV format. To do that, open the Excel file, navigate to File, click on Save As. Click on More Options. This opens the Save As dialog box. Select the storage location and rename the file. Under the Save As Type drop-down, select the CSV, delimited. Click on Save. This saves the Excel files .xlsx in the .csv format. The next step is to use the command prompt to merge files. While using this method, make sure you have placed the files you want to combine in the same folder. Now, right-click in the empty space and select Open in Terminal. By default, Windows opens PowerShell Editor. Click on the small drop-down next to the New tab or press Ctrl plus Shift plus 2 to open the command prompt. This opens the command prompt editor. In the command prompt window, enter the command cd space the folder path in double quotes. Press Enter. This shows that any command you enter is specified to the current folder. Enter the command in the prompt and press Enter. Once the execution is complete, you can see the names of the workbooks combined in the command prompt. In the folder, you can see the combined CSV file. Now, you can convert the CSV file back to an Excel file. That is all, everyone. In this video, we saw how to merge files in Excel in 5 proven ways. Thank you.
If you're not a subscriber, click down below to subscribe so you get notified about similar videos we upload. To see the full course that this video came from, click over there. And click over there to see more videos from Simon Says It.